Welcome to Chakra International. I am Nilamatujana speaking. This is related to civil service main examination subject environmental sustainability. This chapter is coming both on the economics optional and geography optional. First, we should know what is economics. Leon Robbins, the science which studies the human behavior as a relationship between ends and scars. What is available? What is your requirement? What is the required for the? How can you manage? Economics means how can you manage with the limited resources. That is called economics. Sustainable, not about our present requirement. We have to think about the future requirement. We should not, Earth has a carrying capacity at any cost. It should not deviate from the carrying capacity. If carrying capacity is deviated, then sustainable development is not possible. This development can be categorized into environment, economic, and social sustainability. Attention, this is the most important because others will find world population around 15, this is a UN report, 15 November 2022, 8 billion. May, it grew to 8.5 billion 2030, 9.7 billion 2050, 10.4 billion 2100. What happened? 8 billion to 10.4. That means minimum 25% increase. Now it in our growth is not sustainable. How we manage the 25% increase in population? Again, life expectancy was 72 years in 2099 is expected to 77 to that means increased population with old age without earning capacity. Then more than half the projected population, where it is increase, the more than half of the projected increase in global population between 2002 to 2005 expected in just 8 countries: Democratic Republic of Congo, Egypt, Ethiopia, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, and United States of Tanzania. Mind it, these localities have per capita energy consumption now is either middle level or lowest. If your population increase day by day, when the demand will increase, you see what is the impact going on environment. Again, global GDP. This certain extent I collect from the OECD report. Global GDP projection up to 2100 is essential for exploration of long-term global environmental problem. In particular, climate change, greenhouse gas emission, as well as climate change mitigation, adopters of capital strongly depends on the growth of per capita income. That means economics has a certain surplus so that we can divert the fund to reduce the environmental pollution. Then OECD, in a baseline economics and fiscal scenario, trend of GDP growth rate for OECD for G20 area declines from around 3% post-COVID to 1.5% in 2006, mainly due to deceleration in larger emerging market economics. Without policy changes, maintaining current public service standard and the benefit while keeping the public debt ratio stable at current levels would increase the fiscal pressure in the median OECD country by nearly 8 percentage points GDP between 2021 to 2060. That means they are going stress on 8% in GDP from 2021 to 2060. Here, this is the UN goal. What is the goal for sustainable development? The 17 goal, no need to repeat, is already the 17 goals. As per present scenario, achieving above goals seems impossible. What is the environment? Environment, all living and non-living things in the nature that affect our individual survival and development. We are sitting here. What is outside in our surrounding? That is called environment. Environmental sustainability aims to improve the quality of human life without putting unnecessary strain on the Earth's supporting ecosystem. And for relevant environmental sustainability, air, water management and risk reduction. Climate change. Which are gas responsible for climate? Carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, and water vapor. And then policy to fight climate change, engage business to reduce carbon emission, help people to adapt to changing climate. Natural resource usage should be as per the carrying capacity. Waste production, see the world in 2020, the world was estimated to generate 2.24 billion tons of solid waste, amount to footprint of 0.79 kilogram per person per day. With rapid population growth and urbanization, annual waste generation expected to increase by 73% from 2020 level to 3.88 billion to 2050. It will put severe pressure on municipalities and corporations. Water pollution. It is water pollution due to industrial, agriculture, and human Global warming, what it causes? Global warming, deforestation, industry, hobbies, maritime traffic, fuel spillage, deforestation. What is the advantage? We are every day we are deforestation going on. What is the advantage? Green cover, remove carbon dioxide, prevent erosions, protect against the flood, encourage biodiversity, provide timber, other related activities. Then ocean acidification, what are the causes? Industrial revolution, high concentration of carbon dioxide, burning of fossil fuels, changes of land use, raising the carbon dioxide levels in the ocean, raising the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, air pollution, the contaminated indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical, biological agent that modify the natural characteristics of the atmosphere. Here the main thing, largest producer, we are collected the largest producer of 76% energy. So 76%. China 71% dependent on coal. India 50% dependent on coal. Indonesia 69% dependent on coal. Australia 60% dependent on coal. South Africa 91% dependent on coal. This is not very easy to work because this China also they want technology to reduce the use of coal. Unless and until renewable energy is efficiency increased, very difficult them to switch over to renewable. Then here the final consumption this is the most important countries. Ton per capita. What is the final consumption ton per capita? For China is 1.4 ton, United States 4.4 ton, Europe average 2.5 ton, Africa 0.5 ton. This is not here on the world average 1.2. So 0.5 ton you cannot keep it because Africa is developing, slowly developing. So this area demand in future will increase. So this area will create pollution unless until those countries who are using as per their beyond their expectation, they should reduce their consumption. Otherwise, when the Africa will come to the certain level, it is very difficult to maintain the ecosystem. This is the total final consumption, worldwide consumption energy, and is the 2018. Reference this to we refer from the Wikipedia. How to protect and reduce, reuse, recycle. As per the projection, population will increase, resulting in severe pressure on land, water, forest. After factor will increase the air, water, land, sound pressure. Pressure on land will reduce the area of food grain production, other activities for secondary, tertiary sector. Proper land is planning should reserve land for the primary sector. Land should not be diverted for other purposes. Forestry should not be diverted. Compensated forestry should be created. Switch over to renewable energy should be prioritized. Waste to energy should be implemented. Waste conservation, water conservation measures should be strictly followed in agriculture sector to avoid water stress. Mass transport system should be followed. Mass scale livestock farming should be encouraged. It will generate biogas allowing the compost. Compost can be utilized by primary sector. Conserve electricity. With this, the present company like it, subscribe, put a bell icon. Thank you.